Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I am actually currently giving Lincoln a bath right now. He's been very grumpy the past couple days. He's teething. Like I said, he's got the one bottom tooth in. Now he's getting the other one in. He has fallen so many times here lately since he thinks that he can stand up and walk. And I am like scared to death right now because he like just fell about 20 minutes ago, and he's got a goose egg that probably goes like that far off of his head. And it's, I mean, he already had a bruise there from when he fell previously because he keeps falling. And I mean, he's 8 months old, so of course he's gonna have some falls, but I'm just scared because it's pretty far. I'll post a picture, the best picture that I can possibly get. He's probably gonna give me a heart attack before he's up and walking. I'm not kidding. If you guys haven't tried those new, this one was a strawberry lemonade. It's from Wendy's. It's so freaking good. Not sponsored, by the way. What are you doing, mister? Alright, guys. I just got done with my eye makeup. I used the Morphe 15N Nightmaster palette. I am actually currently trying to get ready the carnival that we're getting ready to go to. There's a water carnival at Lowe Volk Park today, and that's what we plan to do today. Take the highlight though, girl. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed, and I'll see you guys in a few. Alright guys, well, we went to go to the nature center, like to hunt nature. And when you hear in hunt nature, I'm thinking like animals. We go, and it was to hunt insects like cicadas and crickets. I'm not interested in hunting a flipping cricket. So we left. With that being said, I am gonna go ahead and get off here. I'm gonna end this so I can get it edited eventually and up. But I had a wonderful day. My whole family and friends had a wonderful day, and that's all that truly matters to me. With that being said, I love you guys, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this. So if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel. It's right down there. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I love each and every one of you guys so much. You guys help me so much. You guys don't even understand. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.